What's going on, everybody? I got some good ones for you. Even right now, with many of us are enjoying family, eating a lot, and just waiting for 2024, we got some crazy headlines, crazy prices, volatility. And by the end of this video, I'll keep you updated with everything you're seeing this right now. Bonk, I gotta tell you something about it. Look at this. Look at this. $100,000 in 2024. That's probably too soon by now, but what about this? Billionaire Tim Draper says 250,000 2024. I mean, we heard that before from other people saying a dollar, but really what is going on? Well, some winners right now. We got some losers. Let me tell you the full story and let's have fun. There's some pretty big news that we had to prepare for. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Real happy to be here with you guys in the last days of 2024, 2023, or I was going to say 2024. 2024 at this time, I got something that you need to, and I think everybody has to remember. Check this out. Of course, take a look at the first link down below. Get up to $5,000 on BigX, crypto.com as well. Make your accounts, get some money, trade it because, look, this happened just yesterday and today. A lot of people are trading on different chains. This is Cronos minted, right? So I'm sure that you remember, ladies, you remember Corgi AI. Now minted. We're looking at 200% or so. Guys, a lot of people are making money, and I want to put you in the best position. Well, Bonk. Bonk is Coinbase, Binance everywhere. I think we're gonna probably see a nice retracement, but still holding. Kind of curious, right? Now, guys, the Bitcoin monthly returns and the performance so far. I told you, like the last quarter, green 56% this year. Typically, it's positive, and we followed that. Last year was the bear market, so that's one of the reasons why it was red, but it's green right now. And for us, we see positive. Like the last 4 months in 2023 have been incredible for Bitcoin and the crypto space. Now, what's gonna be like as we get the Bitcoin ETF approval? I mean, most of us are expecting a 3-digit, just like, let's see if we get some 3-digit here. Here it is, 449% back in 2013 or in 2023, 2021 even. So there's going to be some pretty exciting moves, guys. So prepare for that. That is the quarterly, which, last year, quarter one, we had a 71% Bitcoin in the market. So, and Ethereum 52%. So just to give you an idea, right? What's ahead? Consider that with the Bitcoin ETF by then, by the end of quarter one, it's gonna be done. It's gonna be cooked. So also we have the Bitcoin halving. So I think quarter one, 2024, one of the most historic ones. So let's get ready by buying the dippity dips, the crypto that we like. Crazy days. Minted is one that you ought to be watching right now, and Binance showcasing signs of strength, right? Compared to Kronos, compared to FTT right now from FTX, they're actually down. Binance is up, which is exciting. Good, kudos to Binance, right? I mean, they're killing us right now with the market cap. They're killing us right now with the DeFi. They're also with exchange inflow. So, wow, Binance, even though CC is out, is still leading and is still putting a great show for everybody. So kudos. I mean, obviously, we knew Binance was going to stay here for a while, and now it's getting closer to Solana. As you know, Solana skyrocketed a lot. Now, this one that I just showed you a couple minutes ago, Grayscale Chair Silbert resigns while the SEC molds the Bitcoin ETF. Now, this is the guy who was in constant beef with Cameron and the Tyler Winklevoss, the Winklevoss brothers from Gemini. Remember about the Genesis, Gemini, and the digital currency group, I believe, trading group that he was in charge of. So that's the lender that they're sued Gemini, these guys, because us, the Gemini, earn investors, and there's a vote that you received an email from. I received it, so you cast your vote to see what in the future is happening with this situation. But now he's out of the Grayscale chair and see what's going on. Obviously, it's an important player, Grayscale in crypto, one of the biggest holders in Bitcoin. So definitely people are watching. And well, okay, so what's going to happen? There's lawsuits, as you can take a look at right here. This sprawling crypto conglomerate that it's embroiled in several ongoing disputes in the wake of 2022 industry meltdown. The digital currency group is subject to the lawsuits by regulators over the lending program with Genesis Global, yes, and Gemini. So the guy's in under fire, and see what happens as we continue. Bitcoin 100,000 in 2024. This is something extremely easy for Bitcoin to do. It's about 2x, um, less than 2x from the all-time high. So $100,000 is not a matter. It's not a matter of if, just a matter of when it's going to occur. And 2024, yes, there's a chance we do 2024 at $100,000. No problem. I see it as a no problem. Now this one, it's a little bit more ambitious because you're saying now that the Bitcoin bull market is going to be in 2024, where in reality, if you take a look at history, if you take a look at the past years for a Bitcoin bull market and crypto, is not in the same year that we have the actual bull cycle for Bitcoin when the halving comes. The halving came in 2020. The market that exploded was in 2021 because when the halving comes, there's a lot of volatility and change, and typically goes down and goes sideways. And then as we get out of that volatility, then finally starts skyrocketing. That's what usually happens. However, now we are also mixing the trillions of dollars worth of asset managers that are going to be getting their approval Bitcoin ETF. So it could be, like we always say, a different Bitcoin crypto bull market. As this was a different crypto bear market, this could be a different bull market just because of so many different variables. And people who are more into the game with a lot more money, as this billionaire, may see something that we're not seeing. And that's why this person is saying $250,000 for one Bitcoin, which means if you buy Bitcoin right now, that's almost 10x. I mean, 8 or so x, just to give you an idea. Pretty crazy. Now, we dipped below 42,000 for a while, and the meme coin rally, Bonk, Pepe, Shiba Inu, and other ones, a little bit stalling. However, I just show you that we still have some opportunities with some under the radar cryptocurrencies that I'm putting you on your site for you to enjoy, guys. Forget the Santa Claus rally. Next year, 2024, it's something much bigger. And I think I do agree because the ETF, the halving, and many different projects, builders that are coming up with their new products and services, I think definitely there's a lot of potential right there. Guys, yeah, there's a lot coming. Great so far. That's what we got. And well, 2025, I think we should be looking something like 2017, 2021, and 2020. Like we should be looking 2024 as, let me tell you, something close to this quarterly returns, because obviously we're gonna have some months like it's red, but that's gonna be the retracements. But realistically speaking, should be looking something like this or something like this. Like we're gonna have some 3-digit months and quarters. Make no mistake, it's going to occur. So just about for you to be prepared, you're ready, have your positions in order. And right now, where a lot of people are chilling with family and friends, the two of us that are super crazy for crypto, we should be accumulating and buying the positions we enjoy. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have an amazing rest of the year. Happy holidays. And I'll see you next time. Like and subscribe. Peace.